Are you located in Wilmington, Delaware, and searching for a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Wilmington, Delaware? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where today we're shedding light on the perfect solution, Delaware Dumpster Rentals. We've got some exciting answers for you, so stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of efficient waste management with Delaware Dumpster Rentals. Let's start by understanding why proper waste management is so crucial. Do you know how your waste disposal habits impact the environment and resources? Here's the thing. Waste comes in all shapes and sizes. Delaware Dumpster Rentals has the perfect dumpster for every job, from minor cleanups to significant construction projects. We're talking a variety of sizes to suit your needs. Curious? Let's explore their range together. Let me throw another question your way. Would you ever wish booking a dumpster was as easy as ordering a pizza? Well, Delaware Dumpster Rentals has nailed it with its user-friendly website. I'll show you how straightforward the online booking process is. Trust me, you'll be impressed. Here's a question for the environmentally conscious folks. Ever wonder if your waste is being disposed of responsibly? Delaware Dumpster Rentals takes pride in its commitment to eco-friendly practices. Stay tuned to discover how they make waste disposal convenient and environmentally responsible. Alright, friends, that's a wrap on our exploration of Delaware Dumpster Rentals. Ready to make your waste management journey hassle-free? Head to www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com or call them at 302-463-9000 to book your roll-off dumpster rental in Wilmington, Delaware. Let's make waste management a breeze together with Delaware Dumpster Rentals.